here in Ethiopia that would help people from different walks of life be able to identify and then solve problems more effectively and communicate among each other more efficiently, and then tying that society to the community of visual thinkers worldwide. And then that class has led me to this. Hi, I'm Winter, pronounced the way British people say winter, and I'm a Saudi-born, Ethiopia-based architect, illustrator, and storyteller. Following the release of Think Visual, Communicate Your Idea Through a Simple Drawing, I've received several responses online and through the in-person trainings that I've conducted, and those inputs are what's informing this class. So in this one, we'll first go through an exercise to help you visually capture something from your surroundings in the most efficient, effective way possible. So you'll be capturing just enough detail to communicate what it is you're trying to show. Then this exercise could inform what we'll be doing in the class project, where you'll be creating your persona. So you'll be drawing an illustration of yourself along with several characteristics or qualities or hobbies that you're known for. Possibly the things that your friends would use to describe you when introducing you to someone new. And finally, in our bonus lesson, I'm going to be showing you a few books that you can then use as guides or inspirations on your journey to becoming very comfortable with visual communication. But in the end of all of this, my hope and my goal for you is that after you've picked up on some of the elements that are commonly used in the visual communication world, probably seen some of the books that I will be sharing with you and exercises that we'll go through in this class, I hope that you're able to develop these further and have your own style whenever you express your ideas, so you'd have your touch whenever you're communicating a concept. So, let's get to it.